One day, I was going through YouTube and I saw a short video. It was an aircraft. Fire! The name of the aircraft is F-35 Stealth nuclear bombers. F-35. Hey, you know why I'm saying this thing? When we started prayer, I saw a F-35 everywhere. Stealth nuclear bomber. Ah!